Hi everyone. So the purpose of this video is to demonstrate on how to submit a ticket or a request. First, go to support.cobalt.io. You'll be prompted to log in. Once logged in, you'll be able to view this page. Next, at the top of the page, click Submit a Request at the top right. You'll be able to choose the issue for your ticket. Issues include billing queries or service adjustments, compliance services, feedback on Cobalt services, monitoring services, and technical services. When selecting an issue, make sure to include any emails you may want to grant visibility with the CC. What technical service is this about? The subject and description, as well as any attachments that you believe belong in the email that will assist.